Hi, in this video on the Raspberry Pi I want to focus on the new Raspberry Pi version 2, and for this I need a micro SD memory card and micro USB cable for the power. So let's first unpack. So it has an Ethernet and 4 USB host connectors, and like the previous Raspberry, HDMI, video, audio connector for the camera. So let's see. So let's hook it up. So it is almost completely hooked up now. It's put on anti-static paper, or paper which is anti-static, and USB connector leading to keyboard and mouse, and in this case also a wireless network. The HDMI video connector and the power connector. So let's fire it up. And by the way, also important, the micro SD card. And I'll reposition the cam. And this is the first time booting. And let's see what happens. It's a nice and quite empty desktop, and on this I will install VNC, so I can use it just like the Raspberry Pi version 1, and trying to install screencasts. So let's see what is in store for us. A menu, preferences, I see here a network device which is nicely seen on Wi-Fi. And that is not good, because that should be not visible. So let's do it in another way. I'll unplug the Raspberry Pi 1 for a moment, plug, and see, it immediately says I'm connected. So let's do it without wireless. Internet browser. RaspberryPi.org. And I have a great internet connection, so that works. Then let's see if I can go to a VNC. Setting up a VNC server. And what I already noticed is that this is quite fast. Faster than with the original Raspberry. So that they say it's approximately 4 to 6 times faster. It's already proven. I open a terminal. The wireless is not connected because I didn't give in the password, and wired is connected with this number, so that's correct. But the question is, where do I get the VNC? Ah, there it is. This is Raspbian, so the Raspberry Pi Debian. So it works with sudo apt-get install and then tight VNC server. And while we wait on setting it up, this already says after installing, run tight VNC server and start the VNC session. So all I have to do now is probably sudo. See, that works better. You will require a password to access your desktops, and then a password. and for simplicity I take the same password as I use with the earlier Raspberry Pi. Would you like to enter a view-only password? So now I've installed VNC. So let's do a screencast to see if this really works out. Okay, so I'm starting Tiger VNC, and as I've seen, the IP address I was assigned was 203. And I'm in. So this is the VNC server to the Raspberry Pi 2. Quite fast. Works like a charm. Quite empty as well yet. But as you can see, the same software Wolfram and Mathematica are already installed, and this opens possibilities for using both the RPI1 and RPI2 together via the breadboard. So thanks for watching, setting this up, and to be continued.